Sup Aliens, welcome back. Looky what I got for my Wltoys A959. I got the bearings from NZ Miniature Bearings right here in Shirley, in our good old Christchurch, New Zealand. Just down the road from me. Incredibly cheap, about $1.25, about $2 New Zealand. I mean, considering that Wltoys pumps out these tiny little bushings and expect that the car is going to work on this, it just boggles my mind. It's like, how could they expect something just a little bit costly to have these crappy bearings? So I'm not going to put you through the boring put together, disassemble and pull apart. Why? Because there's already numerous other videos on YouTube, and they are exceptionally good. Let's see if I can find a couple here. We'll just quickly get rid of old Dark Viper AU. Yeah, I'm watching him. Yeah, I watch you, Dark Viper. Yeah, if you're watching Dark Viper, I only watch you on here. I only watch you on YouTube, not on Twitch. Because Twitch still doesn't appeal to me. It's not big like YouTube, so yeah. But anyway, history. Yeah, these guys up here are Nordic RC versions. Now, he does a lot. Just try and get him focus. There we go. Stay in focus, please. Why is it doing this? Watch this. Right. Shut it down. Restart. And then the sound works. What the hell's going on with that? But yeah, that this guy here does a lot, and he goes through all of it. Like, I mean that's as far as I want to go even further. I want to completely upgrade mine to the max. So I'm not going to upgrade mine. I'm not going to show. I'm just going to like direct. Go to here. Go to these guys. Go to Nordic RC Visions and check them out. They have the best tutorial for upgrading these. Absolutely best. Right. Just quickly, this is what it's like at the moment. Obviously that one's spinning more because there's more grip, but I'm going to put the other wheels back on, but that's how slow it is. So let's see what the new bearings do. And we're back. We are finished. We can finally see what the new bearings are like. Stay still. Whoa, shit. Jesus. Oops. Right, so that's what it's back to. Yeah, looking pretty alright. So now I'm going to take it outside and give it a black. In the good old outdoors. It's a nice day outside. 2.6. So I'll just... Okay. We're back. Right. Ready? No cars. Click. Fuck, it's faster. It actually is. Whoa. Behind. Right. Speed test. Right. Whoa. Whoops. Last test. Smooth ground. Whoa. Too much power. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too much power. Oh, whoops. Yes. It's got too much power. I can't control it. I have to go slow on my throttle. I actually have to go slow. Damn, it's hard. Oh, I wonder if that caught it. Oh, that looked good. I hope that recorded that one. That looked real good. It was a nice slight drift into the camera and taking it out. Having too much fun. I'm going to cut it short, but just the last little bit. That's how fast they're running. Check out the shutter speed right there. I'll get that into a better position and we'll check out the shutter speed. Damn, she's incredibly fast. And you saw all that. Seriously, a great radio controlled car. It's better than the crappy little AA battery ones that I get. It's so much fun. Wltoys, over the top. What damage have I done? Oh, yeah. Chips and nicks, understandable. Oh, I can add stuff up there. I didn't know that. Oh, it's such a good little thing. Anyway, already running at 13. You've seen the test, you've seen everything. I'm going to cut off now and let you get back to what you're doing. Thanks for the watching. Remember to like, comment and sub. Thanks. Bye. Check it out. After that little run, I just got back and I just noticed that my cap for the bearing has popped off. You can't see it in there. Yeah, I'll quickly pause it and I'll take it apart and I'll show you. Alright. There is the bearing top. It popped off. There is the bearing itself. You don't really have to worry about that cap popping off. It doesn't really matter. It's not a necessity because the bearing structure is still sound within there. It's just a dust cap and it keeps the dust out. So trying to put it back in, you've got to look at what particular side. There is a bezel and a lip. It's going to be that side. If I have a look at this side, I can tell. Yep, there's a drop down, so that would mean that it would not go that side, that it would go, nope, that side. And then we just shimmy it back on. So Yeah, they're still good bearings. No, I still trust them. I'll put it back. And there we go. And we got it back working. Right, so that's all good. I don't mind at all, eh? So, yep. So, yeah. Sorry, I really don't know how to end videos. So, yep, bye.